Welcome back. Today we're diving into a helpful feature on WhatsApp Web that makes finding messages in your conversations a breeze. With the latest update, searching for specific messages has never been easier. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and all set to access your chats. If you're not sure how to do this, just scan the QR code on your phone, and you're ready to go. Next, locate the conversation you want to search in. Whether it's a chat with a friend, family member, or a work group, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the desired chat to open it. Once you're in the conversation, look for the search icon. This is usually represented by a magnifying glass and is located at the top right corner of the chat window. Give that icon a click. Now it's time to find that specific message. In the search box that appears, type in the keyword or phrase you're looking for. It could be a word, a name, or an important detail, whatever you need to track down. Finally, scroll through the results to find the exact message. WhatsApp will highlight the searched terms to make it easier for you to locate what you were looking for. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can effortlessly search through your WhatsApp web conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and happy chatting.